Now what I am going to show how to disassemble Samsung J2 2006. So what I am going to show you now is that here the phone you are looking at looks like a phone Samsung J2 2016. Is this what I am going to open now? I will open the phone step by step. First find that the screw, then show me what to do, but I have left the screw. Open to you for the convenience of showing and opening the rest. At first I will open the all screw this phone. Now I am unscrewing the screw, then I will remove whatever is on the top of this display then, and I will open the display remon. Then I have to separate the frame safely. Now I will separate the display with the help of cutting paper. And I use cutting paper and cutting the gum, display gum, and cutting display gum for better separating from frame for this phone and safely separating frame. Safely cutting the gum from frame from display, but now I am separating the frame, safely separating the frame. I will open the frame very carefully. See, now I will open the frame very carefully. Step by step remove socketing clip. Finally I am opening it, but I have separated the frame. Now we will separate the motherboard step by step. So I will separate the motherboard very safely. And I will open the headphone plug in remon. Now I will separate the full phone and separate at first display and separate motherboard frame and finally separate motherboard. So viewers, thank you, bye bye. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. So viewers, thank you, bye bye.